Speaking of Elon, Royal Caribbean is the first cruise liner to request Starlink satellite internet on board its ships. Why do they have to request it? Can't they just order it up?
Maybe it's like a big deal for them.
Like a business order type of thing?
You're saying that they got a couple of ships, Will?
I think so.
I believe you're right. Royal Caribbean told the FCC it wants SpaceX's Starlink on its cruise ships. Per a filing cited by PC Mag, the cruise liner urged the FCC to quickly approve SpaceX's request for Starlink on moving vehicles. So it isn't actually approved, which must be the reason for the RV problems, Mo.
Oh.
It comes after airlines made deals with SpaceX to have in-flight Wi-Fi on board their planes. In a filing with the Federal Communications Commission on Friday, first reported by PC Magazine, Royal Caribbean Group said it wanted to be able to offer Starlink on its fleet of cruise ships. We believe we have identified a true next-generation solution for our vessels. It's the first cruise liner to file a request with the FCC about offering Starlink internet on its ships, carriers, including Hawaiian Airlines and exclusive jet firm JSX. I would assume this would be approved. You put on a plane, you can put on a boat.
Yeah, I agree.
You put on a plane, you put on a boat.
You probably have better service on the boat, wouldn't you think so?
You're on a plane.
Or a boat.
You're on a plane.
I'm on a plane. Snake's on a plane. This is like...
Where are you going?
Yo, can I have one of your nuggets, Mo?
Where are you going?
Where am I going?
Yes.
Today I'm on a plane.
Yeah, and where are you going?
Thailand.
Well done.
How about you?
Did you completely forget the previous meme?
Yeah, I did. What are you talking about?
I did this to you in the past, and you were like, what are you doing to me?
Yeah. Wait, what previous meme?
I said, you're on a plane. And you said, why am I on a plane? You freaked out.
Yeah, okay.
You have no recollection of this.
Yeah.
Why are you pretending?
I remember now. Me panicking, that's happened a few times on this show.
Royal Caribbean says it has a total of 24 ships. Okay, so it's not that many. They are enormous, and they cost billions of dollars. If you've ever seen those, some of the best videos on YouTube are those things getting built. They're like entire cities on water. It has a total of 24
Oh, sorry. There you go.
24 ships, but it's not clear from the FCC filing how many vessels will have Starlink to start with. I think it gets approved. I think it's on the boats. I think it's in the sky. I think it's the real covert play from Elon, the takeover. Well, everybody's satellite internet, Starlink. And look, you can sign up for RVs. It just costs more money. So how did the RVs get done? Those are moving vehicles. The boat's going to get done. Mm-hmm. The boat's going to get done.
I thought we were going to order.
Well, it was Mo was put it on the same program as the Nuggets.
Chipotle and
the Nuggets.
Oh, okay.
It went below the Nuggets.
So it's next up.
It went below the Nuggets.
Okay.